yeah. It's Valentine's Day again, and I got so much love to give.
It's time to get creative for Valentine's Day. The Illinois Center for Broadcasting is offering free virtual Valentine videos for anyone looking to make their loved one feel extra special this year. So come on out to the Yorktown Mall in Lombard on either Saturday, February 9th, or Sunday, February 10th from 12 to 3. We'll be in the upper level center court. Virtual Valentines are a great way to show anyone just how much you care and can be shared through email, Facebook, and many more ways. It's a really unique idea for anyone who has loved ones that are currently serving in the military too. You'll be able to find it on youtube.com/virtualvalentine. Everyone is welcome to come out and proclaim their love in front of our cameras. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 630-916-1700. Happy Valentine's Day from the Illinois Center for Broadcasting in Lombard.